Okay, so hi everyone. So we have an idea. We have this. So we need to have the first Mickey figure. The first Mickey figure is this. It's his Batman. It looks like he has a head bun in his head, but because if you put his eyes, if you put his backside, you can't see his eyes. He has a yellow belt, a cape, and he has two faces. He has a happy face and an angry face. And you see the details on here. He has 2 batarangs and 1 phone and 1 bomb. And you can see the last one we have Mr. Freeze. It has a astronaut helmet and a gun. Look like he's very angry, and he has only 1 face. And this is his ship full of ice. Right here is the fire and the Batman and the headband and the batarang phone and bomb and they and Mr. Freeze gets frozen on ice. So Mr. Freeze gets frozen on ice. Whoops! I got it. And right here we have some blue boxes and some dynamite on the blue box and the little ice cubes on it. Okay, we'll join this video. I hope you can get more to just watch that you want me to build next. See you again next time. Bye. And see you later.